Hello, today we are going to share with you the newly added features of Minichart. First, register with Google and inform us to activate the premium features for you. This is for clients only. You can log in or register with Continue with Google. It will save you the hassle to remember password. Chinese edition. You can view the Chinese edition of Minichart by clicking on the Chinese button. To log in to Minichart website, you need to log in twice. Once on the website, and once on the chart site. You can click on Research Reports. Here, you will see stocks that receive broad analyst coverage are often preferred because analysts typically focus on larger or high-potential companies. This strong coverage also tends to draw more investor interest, increasing liquidity and making the stocks easier to trade. In our Research Reports section, we aim to update the reports as promptly as possible each. In the SGX menu, it consists of everything: SGX research reports, financial reports, corporate news, upcoming earning dates, upcoming SGX dividend, SGX stock directory. This is the newly added features. We have Watch List My Portfolio, FATA, SGX Contract Calculator, SGX Dividend Calculator, and Average Price Calculator. Please check them. It's very useful in your trading. In the watch list, it is useful to monitor stocks on the move, especially when you are overseas. You don't have to keep logging in to trading websites, and it is easy to log in. We have created a list of watch lists for you. These are stocks that make up an index and are typically more liquid, which makes them easier to buy and sell, and they tend to provide more dependable information because they are closely followed and widely analyzed by the market. You create your own watch list and portfolio to track which stocks trigger mini chart signals and monitor upcoming dividends. From your watch list, you can identify which stocks are currently generating mini chart signals. It is better to buy stocks with mini chart technical analysis signals, as they help identify good entry points, such as when momentum is strong or prices are oversold. These data-driven signals improve consistency and reduce emotional or impulsive decision-making. Move your cursor over it to display the full name. At a glance, you can view important information on the stocks in your watch list. Click More to view details. You can view details such as analyst target prices, earnings dates, earnings history, and dividend yield for the stocks. For example, you can build a watch list of highly recommended stocks to track and monitor. In addition to your personal watch list, you can view all stocks across the market that have triggered mini chart signals by clicking here to access the full list. Here, you can view the Minichart Premium FATA signals. You can find consistent high-dividend yield companies that meets that charting condition today. You can identify companies trading on a cum-dividend basis that also meet your charting conditions today. You can identify companies that are scheduled to announce earnings soon and meet your charting conditions today. You can identify companies with high analyst price targets that also meet your charting conditions today. You can identify strong earnings companies that also meet your charting conditions today. This is the contract calculator page. A contract calculator helps you estimate how much you need to pay or receive from a trade. It gives you a clearer breakdown of the fees involved in your transactions and allows you to adjust commission rates and other miscellaneous costs accordingly. Spread calculator is a useful tool for traders because they help identify the exact price level at which a trade neither gains nor loses money, the break-even point. Take note of the number of bids required to break even when trading contracts of different values, such as 50 cents, $5, or $50 stocks. It take one bid to break even if you buy at 51 cents. It take 3 bids to break even if you buy at $5.10. Your break even for $51 contract value is 25 cents. An average price calculator is helpful for traders and investors who buy at different prices and in varying quantities, as it helps determine the overall average purchase price. Dividends calculator is useful for calculating your true profit or loss over time, as they include all dividend payments received and account for fees. Dividend calculator provides a full breakdown of performance, including gross profit, total dividends received, overall yield, annualized yield, current market value, and detailed dividend history across the investment period. Dividend calculator shows detailed dividend history across the investment period. Minichart portfolio lets you view your profit and loss at a glance, offering a more accurate reflection by factoring in key components of your investments. It provides a comprehensive breakdown of performance, including gross profit, total dividends received, overall yield, annualized yield, current market value, and detailed dividend history over the investment period. Minichart portfolio also shows your net profit and loss, both realized and unrealized, along with total portfolio yield and associated fees. In addition, it highlights your exposure in Singapore dollars and foreign currencies, as well as any cum-dividend positions, if applicable. Join our WhatsApp SGX News channel for the latest updates. We also provide dedicated channels for US, Hong Kong, and Malaysia markets. Feel free to invite your friends who want to stay updated on major financial markets and news. Thank you very much. Please like and share.